Hey Wes, this is Devin from SEO Dallas, Texas. In this quick video, I'm going to show you 3 easy ways you can start to beat your competition online starting today. And you're probably asking why I'm making this video. It's really simple. I found out a little while ago there's a lot of small business owners out there that are spending all their time running their business and taking care of their customers, that they don't really have the time to learn how to make the internet work for them and bring in more of those customers. And the only thing stopping them from hiring a marketing agency is they don't know who is an expert and who is not an expert. So I found that by making these attack plans and giving them away for free, a lot of those business owners still ended up raising their hands and going, you know what, Devin, I like you. Take care of this for me. So if at the end of this all you see I've got some tricks in my sleeve and you want some help, just give me a call and I'll be glad to chat with you. If you want to just take this information and do it yourself, that's totally okay too. All I ask for is some quick feedback at the end of it by responding to this email. So without further ado, the 3 things I'm going to talk to you about today are going to be content, backlinks, and citations. So content is everything that's on the front page of your website that Google can crawl through to determine what keywords to rank you for and where to rank you for those keywords. And to be considered an authority in Google's eyes these days, they're looking for about 1,500 to 2,000 words. And that includes all the text that you can read, all the text behind your images, and then whatever your images are saved as. So looking at your website right here, it looks like you've got a pretty good looking website. I like that you have this rotating gallery at the right here in the front. It's a good looking website. It says exactly what you do here. As far as content goes, I would definitely recommend making sure that you get up to about 1,500 words. You probably have about 400 right now. If you look at your competitors, I looked for flood restoration. There's nothing really in the area that I could find as far as competitors, just for that keyword. But as far as flooring, which I know you do dustless floor removal, Phillips Flooring is coming up as number 1. And they have a little bit more content. Again, 1,500 words is going to dominate them, and I'll show you exactly why they're beating you so bad. And then if you look at Home Plus floors, again, 1,500 words is going to completely dominate them. So content is king, but it's not the end-all fix-all. The next thing you're going to want to look at is having backlinks. Backlinks are important because Google's kind of like a popularity contest, and so look at how many other websites on the internet are pointing at you, giving traffic from their site to your website. Not all backlinks are created equal. You're going to get much more of an effect from other flooring companies linking back to you than you would from like Pizza Hut linking back to you. Obviously, you're not a pizza company. So I use a tool to check this out. It's called Ahrefs. It costs about $1,000 a month depending on what plan you use, but it gives you some really valuable data on what's going on in the back end of websites. So here's floodourestoration.com. It says you have 8 websites pointing at you with no traffic, okay? If you look at Phillips Flooring, they've got 21 websites pointing at them, not that much more, but look how many people are hitting their site a month, 120. And that's actually down 41 from before, so they probably could use some help as well. But can you imagine if that many more people were hitting your site? And then you've got Home Plus Flooring. They have more domains, but they have less traffic, and I'll show you why. It comes down to the type of domain you have. Like I said, not all domains are created equal. You're going to want to go and find out which ones are linking to them and go take those same ones. So like Flooring Store USA, that's going to be a good one. Flooring Companies, that'll be a good one for you. Realtor Lists, probably pretty good for you as well. Okay? Now, the last thing I'll talk to you about is going to be citations. Citations are important because if someone's typing in like Flooring Longview TX, go type that in. By the way, you can see 200 people search that a month, just that one keyword. So you can really make your website really powerful by targeting multiple keywords. But if you type in this, if Flooring Longview Texas, someone needs flooring, a lot of people just go to the very first person that seems trustworthy to them and they give them a call. And you want to be that first person so you can collect that money. A lot of people skip these ads right here because 1, many people have ad blockers so they don't even see them. But 2, there's a large portion of the population that's just been burned by them and had bad experiences, so they don't use those paid ads. So where a lot of people like to go and where you want to rank is right here in the Google My Business or local map hack ranking. And to get in here, you have to have more citations than your competitors. Citations are anywhere where your name, your address, and your phone number are listed in different directories across the web. Directories are just different websites that allow you to list your business's information, like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, Angie's List, Home Advisor. So a good strategy here is to go figure out what directories your competitors are listing themselves in. Go list yourself in those exact same directories and add a bunch more on top. I always recommend between about 30 to 40% more. That way, when you do take that number 1 spot, it's going to take them a long time to catch up to you. So that's all I've got for you, Wes. I hope you found this really informative. The 3 things I went over for you today were content. I definitely recommend getting your website up to about 1,500 words at the minimum, but 2,000 would be better for you. Backlinks, you're going to want to add on a few more websites pointing back at you. I'd recommend at least 25 to 50. Make sure they're within the flooring industry or at least the home improvement industry. And then citations, go figure out what directories your competitors are listing themselves in. Go list yourself in those exact same directories and add a bunch more on top. So if you found this informative and you want to do this yourself, that is totally okay. I ask that you just give me some free feedback And by the way, this doesn't have to be done with flooring. We can do this with flood restoration. We can do this with fire restoration too. It's however you want to target those keywords. It all works the same way. If you want me to help you out with this, you can check out our website. It's SEODallasTX.com. Our phone number is 214-441-6737. And if you're on mobile, you can just click this link and it goes right to our phone. Appreciate you taking the time to watch this, Wes. I hope you have a great day. Bye.